This is how to draw a cute ghost wearing a witch's hat. I'm using a Crazy Art washable marker. It comes in a 30 pack, that's pretty cheap. But the first thing we'll do is just start out with the hat, since it's on top of the ghost. So I'm just gonna start out with the base of the hat and curve it around like so. And then up here, it'll curve up like this and loop around. And the base of this part of the hat is thicker and it gets more narrow, and it will come into a fine narrow point at the top. And then we put like a belt or band around the hat like this. And then starting right about here, we'll start drawing the ghost. So that's one side, and the bottom of its body will be 3 little loop-de-loops. Loop up and down, kind of like a wave. More like a wave than loop-de-loops actually. Then it'll curve around, bend in, come up. And then his eye will start here, just a circle. And spaced out to this side, another circle. And we'll give him little highlights on the left side. So it's kind of like a moon in his eye. Then fill it in. Another highlight to this side. And then his mouth will just, he's gonna be a happy ghost, so just give him a little mouth like this. And then we'll color in the hat. And I'm gonna be posting a whole bunch of Halloween type drawings this month since it's October. There's a playlist that you can click on to see all the different ones, like pumpkins and different types of ghosts to draw, skeletons, skulls. Maybe I'll do an animation tutorial too, like how to animate a ghost flying. Would that be interesting? Okay. I like these cheap markers because I don't feel guilty about coloring stuff in with them. I have Copic markers, I bought like a 300 set of them, and they're just like sitting in the corner for the past 5 years. And every time I use them, I'm worried about wasting the ink because they were so expensive. At the same time, I like never use them. Let's see here. I wonder if we should put anything else on here so it doesn't look so basic. Maybe some little magic sparklies, like little sparkles, so it looks like there's some Halloween magic going on. These are just 5 little lines. So it seems like there's this aura of magic around the ghost. Anyways, like the video if you liked it, and you can sign up to the animation course via the link below. But anyways, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.